Greetings, campers. Welcome to Farmeritaville. Yeah, it's another one. I hadn't done one of these in a while, but we're back at the Galleria Dallas, where they just opened Netflix House, as you can tell by the ominous logo behind us. I got Mrs. Farmeritaville here with us for the eye candy. Yes, of course. So we're going to check it out. It's literally the grand opening. I don't know what to expect. I don't know if it's escape rooms. I don't know if it's worse than that. I know we get to play Squid Games.
Worse?
Yeah, I mean, I prefer it would be worse than that. I don't know. So we're going to check it out. They may not even let me record inside. This may be unseen footage, but we'll find out. So it's December and it's Netflix House. Oh joy, here at the Galleria, a mall, shopping mall. We still have shopping malls in 2025. This has gone on long enough.
Yep.
We're here to check out Netflix House, but we got to start first with some margaritas. It's the law. Today also, coincidentally, is my birthday. And I can remember being here as a kid, begging my mom to ice skate, even though I was no good at it. And I just remember thinking, man, I cannot wait to be in my 40s so that I can spend my birthday at the mall. We explored the retail area, which is behind me, behind her actually, and they've got like all kinds of great merch, really good merch. Stranger Things, Squid Games, which are obviously two of the pinnacle things. Wednesday, Bridgerton. They had some costumes from Bridgerton, which honestly I'm not familiar with, but I am a big Squid Games fan and a Stranger Things fan, so more on that in a little bit. And then we wandered over here to the Now Pouring Bar, which is right in front of me. That's what I'm looking at. It's delicious. They have all these awesome signs around. The Now Pouring Bar is on one side, Netflix Bites is on the other. And just this color scheme, it's very 80s a little bit, so that's, you know, reminiscent of Stranger Things. And then the plain Jane, just like opaque kind of pastel colors, like you would see in a lot of the Stranger Things, Squid Game stuff, including the bathrooms, I found out, which also look a lot like Squid Games. Of course, we hit the Now Pouring Bar first. The Streaming Passion. Streaming Optimism, I'm sorry. She corrected me. Which one did you get?
Taste of the Ton.
How is it?
It's delicious.
This is good too. This is really good. Tequila, mango, live, agave, lime, not lime. Not my first one, as we saw earlier. This is good. It's good stuff. Would you get that again?
I would. It's strong.
Yeah, this one is too. Strong drinks.
Yay!
Good sign. Good start. haven't played anything yet, but like on first look, some of these are like overlaid typical arcade games like basketball, but a lot of these are like a very original Netflix IP type games. So this is very cool. It's not your run-of-the-mill arcade. Doing our first attraction. We're doing Squid Game, Survive the Trials. I legit have no idea what's in here. Is it an escape room? Is it a movie theater? Is it a ride? I don't know, but I'm excited to find out. The guide, the host that was lining us up, hinted that we might be pitted against each other. So I'm taking 45 billion won.
Oh, you're sorry?
I can buy you back, it'll be fine.
You're sorry?
You have to fill up the silver.
We have now been moved to the front of the line. We're about to do Survive the Trials. I'm going to keep this spoiler free, but I'm excited about it. So we'll see you on the other side.
1 hour later.
Wow, we just did Survive the Trials. No spoilers because you really have to do it. I enjoyed the hell out of it. Em enjoyed it so much, she's not here right now because she had to run to the bathroom. It scared the piss out of her. But no, seriously, speaking from a professional standpoint, that was a very, very fun game. It was not like an escape game. It was not your average run-of-the-mill thing. We recently did I didn't do a video, but we did like the Dungeons and Dragons experience where you kind of get to be a fan in that universe. This blew it out of the water, leaps and bounds. It was so much better. I will say that you have got to watch the show first. If you haven't seen the show, it'll be fun, but you won't understand like the gravity of some of the stuff as it happens. But having said that, if you've seen the show, you understand how they'll toy with you and you kind of get a feeling for like, okay, what might they be doing next? And then that changes, and it's no different in here. They kind of set up expectations and then twist them. So it was really, really well done. You just have to come play it. I can't say anything. You have to come play it or I'll give it away. So that's my advice. Watch the TV show, come play the game, spoiler free. You won't regret it. It's worth the cost of admission. And it was about an hour. They told us going in it's about 50 to 55 minutes and I timed it and it came out to exactly that. It's clear that they have run this and they've run tests and focus groups or whatever, rehearsal period, soft opening period, and they've got it pretty dialed in. So I actually would not mind coming back and playing again with friends. Unlike an escape room, although you might know what's coming, the outcome is going to be different. And I did see telltale signs that maybe every game's not the same. We just did it once, but it very well could get scrambled up from time to time. So I want to grab some friends and come back here. Now we're running back upstairs to bathroom break and another drink before we do Stranger Things. We got about 10 minutes before our Stranger Things time starts. And we've bathroom breaked, we've reloaded, we're about to do Stranger Things. Wife, what did you think of Squid Game? I gave my spiel.
I think I should have been sober. That's what I think. Normally I'm way better at like if I'm sober.
There's no in there, that would be a spoiler. But no, I did not say this the first time. I really enjoyed the shit out of it, and I dare say, and this is rare, this is the Farmeritaville highest honor. That was funner than shit. Oh, truly. I had a great time in there. It killed an hour. It was money well spent. And again, I believe, based on my experience, like in the attractions business, it appears to be designed for different experiences. So if you come back, it may not necessarily be the same thing. I could be wrong.
We should try that.
But I do know that the winner, you're not going to know who the winner is until it happens.
No.
So I would bring friends here. I'm going to play it again.
Yeah.
Like, I was being sarcastic.
Baby characters in the word. They're letting you know the word. No? Who is it?
1 hour later.
Stranger Things, Escape the Dark. I loved it. It is not as challenging. It's not much of an interactive like Squid Games. There's skill involved in Squid Games. This was very theatrical, very high tech, very haunted housey. There was some cool stuff in there. I don't want to give anything away. You need to come see it. Worth the cost of admission. Also about 50 minutes, close to an hour. So hit the nail on the head there. So the $1 to entertainment ratio, I think, is there pretty close. So and just like Squid Games, if you've never watched the show, it is not designed for that. They did heavily market this place as like for the fans, you know, and that is very much true. If you're not a fan of these franchises, you're not going to get as much out of it. You may not as know what's going on. It's very cool and immersive and interactive, but you definitely, if you like Stranger Things, if you like Squid Game, you'll love the shit out of this. It's very, very well done. And again, just like I'll bring friends back, I'll do it to Stranger Things because my haunted house friends are going to love that shit. It was awesome. And here's the great part. So, I mean, I guess we've been here about 2.5 hours now. They're still serving drinks. They haven't stopped yet. Okay, now we're back in the arcade. Now we're actually gonna play some games. Game. Woo! We did a couple of the games. We didn't spend a lot. It's not a huge arcade, but the games are pretty well themed to some Netflix stuff. We did The Floor is Lava twice. Challenging. I've seen that game system before at trade shows, and it's fast paced. Like before you understand the rules, it's like time's up, you're dead. Haha, screw you. I don't know, but we took 2 good stabs at it, and get your heart rate up. It's a physical game if you're old and fat like I am. But yeah, no, it's a hoot. Another fun thing to do here. Check this out. We just bought a hat, and because it's opening day, they gave us a Netflix House Texas pin for free. And they said opening day. I'm sure they've got a shit ton of these. They'll keep giving out till they're gone.
She wouldn't like it. Very undignified.
Who's behind you?
I don't know.
I don't know what that one is. And then there's Squid Game. And then Timmy.
Get that down.
Just a good boy. Good boy. All right. Well, that is Netflix House Dallas. We had a great time. We checked out the arcade. We had some drinks. We bought some merch, clearly. Stranger Things, Escape the Dark, and Squid Games, The Trials. I enjoyed it. I'll bring friends back. Definitely, I'll come back. It was good. It's kind of that Disney Universal level quality. Like the way their staff is trained, everybody's super helpful, super friendly, super interactive. The prices I felt were reasonable for this day and age and for what is offered. And again, I'm trying to keep this video spoiler free. You really do need to come experience this. You really do need to be a fan of the two shows. Specifically, anybody can come check out the merch area, the food and drink area, the arcade, but to do the two experiences, the attractions, they refer to them here, the attractions, which is the Squid Game and the Stranger Things, you really do need to be knowledgeable and literally a fan. Like they say, this is for the fans, and I believe that. We did see a few people wearing costumes and clothes from the TV shows, respectively, both of them. And I definitely think, like, if you're a fan, it'll make a difference. You will enjoy it more. You'll understand it more. You'll get more out of it. Most of all, you'll understand the gravity. For Squid Games, for example, where in the TV show it's literally life and death. It's obviously not here, but you've seen the show and you understand the weight to it, and the way it's presented and the way it's framed for you in person right before your eyes, it gives it a little bit more oomph, I think. So if you've seen the show and you like it, you'll enjoy this a lot more. But I definitely intend to bring friends back. If you've been here, let me know in the comments what you think, because I'm curious. We can compare notes, but so far I call this a win. I'm a fan of it. I think it's a good deal. I think it's got some longevity to it. I think eventually they will probably change out shows, maybe do some other stuff. I know the Philadelphia Netflix house has Wednesday. I have no idea what that attraction's like, but I could definitely see if they have multiple locations rotating out the themes, and that makes sense for a long-term business like this. But anyway, if you like this video, like, subscribe, blah, 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 all that bullshit. You've heard it before. If you didn't, I don't care. Like and subscribe anyway. I don't give a shit.
Or hate comment. That's fun too.
Yeah, just turn off notifications. You won't even know I'm here. It's fine. Anyway, we'll see you soon, guys. Thanks for watching.
Go do stuff.
Yeah, you heard her. Go do stuff. Look at her. That's a trustworthy face. She knows you want to go do stuff.
Do stuff.
And then look, there's even recommended videos next to her. You want to go do that stuff.
Definitely.
I did it.
Yeah.
You should do it.
Do it.
If it wasn't good, I wouldn't be telling you about it.
Do it, lady.